Hello everybody, today we're going to cook vegetarian fried rice with mushroom. What we need is rice, mushroom. I like to use shiitake mushroom. If you can get fresh one, it'll be great. Otherwise, you can use other type of mushroom, or you can use the dry shiitake mushroom that you have soaked in the water over a few hours. 1 spring onion, 2 cloves of garlics, and soy sauce, light soy. It looks like our oils are nice and hot now. First thing first, we'll put in our garlic. We start hearing the sizzling sounds of the garlic. Stir a little bit, just to spread it out. Next thing, we put in our green onion, or our spring onion. Now we do this first, so our oil will get a nice aroma. Put in our shiitake mushroom, which we chopped it very fine. Bear in mind, our mushroom will always soak up a little bit of oil. That's okay. It will give the mushroom nice aroma. When you can see here, it is sizzling properly. We'll put in our rice. Our fried rice is just about to come to shape. Light soy sauce. 1.5 teaspoons of it. And we stir. Now our rice is cooked. Turn off the heat.